Hey, I'm Casey Wilson and I'm a naturopath that loves empowering women for their preconception, pregnancy and Baba Mama journey. Today I'm going to be making a quick snack called citrus bites, which help to provide you energy and also don't have refined sugar, so they can keep your blood sugars down. And there's the extra addition of collagen powder, which is a protein that does keep your blood sugar stable and nice energy levels over the day. Now this one's for any time, but I do like it for breastfeeding, and a lot of my breastfeeding mamas love it because you have an increased appetite and it's perfect for curbing those sweet cravings as well without increasing the blood sugars. Okay, so what you'll need is a cup of cashews. Now that provides a nice creamy texture. 1 cup and 3/4 of shredded coconut. That helps to bind the balls together but also pairs well with the other ingredients. Juice of 1 lemon to provide a vitamin C hit. Some vanilla and some sweetener. Now I'm using honey today and I like to keep the sweetener as little as possible to avoid that blood sugar surge, but you find the right amount for you. And of course the addition of the Happy Way collagen powder. Now collagen we know is really helpful for supporting the skin and gut healing, and as I said before, it's a protein that helps to balance your blood sugar levels, so perfect addition to a sweet. Now through post-birth, if you're breastfeeding, you're going to be getting healing from collagen, and if your body's in a bit of aches and pains as well, it's going to help provide you support. But particularly for the skin, we love this one, and there's the addition of camu vitamin C rich berry, which is also great for the skin, and some magnesium, because right now you're probably not getting a lot of sleep, and magnesium can help with energy levels but also reducing your stress levels too. Now all you need to do is add these ingredients into the blender, blend up until it's nice and smooth, and then you roll them up into the coconut, some extra coconut for rolling them up and then putting them into the freezer for later on, because if you put them in the fridge, trust me, they won't last long. So as you can see, it was a bit dry. I actually forgot the coconut oil. So there's 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, which we also add in, and that'll help it become more creamy and a nice, beautiful texture. And the coconut oil will also supply you with great energy and keeping you fuller for longer.